Hi children, today we are going to start our geography chapter. Our chapter name is Earth Movements and Major Landforms. So our chapter name Earth Movements and Major Landforms. In this chapter we will study about the movement of the earth or the theory of plate movements and as a result what are the major landforms formed on the earth. Okay, major changes, what are the changes happen to the earth due to the plate movements that we will study in this chapter. Okay, so first we will start with the lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. What is lithospheric plates or tectonic plates? According to the earth scientists, earth crust is made up of 7 major and some minor plates. That is known as theory of tectonic plates or lithospheric plates. Earth crust is made up of 7 major and some minor plates. That is known as theory of tectonic plates. Theory of tectonic plates put forwarded by Alfred Wagner. The geographist Alfred Wagner put forwarded the theory of tectonic plates. And according to Wagner, now we know 7 continents are there, but millions of years before only one continent is there, supercontinent Pangaea. So what is the supercontinent, children? Pangaea. Okay. So this supercontinent only there millions of years before. That supercontinent is called Pangaea. The Greek language means all earth. Greek language, it means all earth. Okay, so I think children you got. So ma'am told this plate earth crust is made up of 7 major and some minor plates. So this plate move every year. This plate move due to the molten magma interior of the earth. So why did lithospheric plates move? Lithospheric plates move due to the molten magma interior of the earth. So it will make many changes, and this plate movement that is mainly classified. 2 forces are responsible for making changes in the earth. These 2 forces are endogenic forces and exogenic forces. So which are the 2 important forces that are responsible for making changes or the formation of landforms or making changes in the earth's surface? Exogenic forces and endogenic forces. So what is exogenic forces? Exogenic forces are those forces that act on the earth's surface, such as exogenic forces that act on the earth's surface, the forces that is responsible for making changes in the earth's surface, that is known as exogenic forces. For example, wind, water, ice, temperature condition, etc. And these modify the phases of the earth. Such types of forces are known as exogenic forces. So exogenic forces are those forces which act on the earth's surface and it will make changes in the earth's surface. For example, wind, water, ice and temperature condition. Okay. Second one, what is endogenic forces? Endogenic forces are those forces that originate inside the earth or interior of the earth, and it will make changes in the inside the earth. The forces that originate inside the earth and make changes in the earth's surface. It may be either slow or a gradual. It may be either slow or gradual. Act that beneath the earth's surface, and they may either slow or gradual. Such types of forces are known as endogenic forces. For example, forces evolved for the building of mountains. Sometimes these type of forces, it may lead to the formation of mountain, continent building. Then sometimes these type of forces responsible for making different types of disaster, natural disaster, like earthquake, volcanic eruption, etc. So these are the two important forces, exogenic forces and endogenic forces. It will make changes in the earth surface, or it will create changes in the earth. I think children it is clear. Now our next topic is about plate movement. Plate movement generally classified into two, horizontal movement and vertical movement. Horizontal movement and vertical movement. Here we will study about folding and folding. Horizontal movement will lead to folding and folding. First we will study what is folding. Okay, so children, folding, two type of folding. Horizontal movement of the earth will lead to horizontal movement of the plates will lead to folding. Two types of foldings are there, upfolding and downfolding. In geography, two terms used for upfolding and downfolding. Upfolding means anticline and downfold means syncline. Upfold means anticline and downfold means syncline. So upfold, what is upfold or anticline? Anticline means children upfold, where the rocks are pushed upward. Rocks are due to the plate movement, what will happen? The rocks are pushed upward into convex fold. Rocks are pushed upward into the convex fold. It resembles like an arc. Such type of folding is known as anticline. So what is anticline? It means upfold, where the rocks are pushed upward. Rocks are pushed upward into convex fold, and it resembles like arc. That is known as anticline. Syncline means it is a downfold. Okay, it is a downfold in rocks, in which rock layers are bent. Rock layers are bent downward, forming depressions between anticlines. That is known as syncline. Okay, it will create a depression between anticline. So upward and upfold and downfold, that is called anticline and syncline. Syncline is a downfold in rocks, in which rock layers are bent downward, forming depressions between the anticline. That is known as syncline. Okay, so in that way, large scale folding of the crust, it will result into the formation of a series of mountain ranges, that is known as fold mountain. So what will happen? In this way, large scale folding will happen. So due to this large scale folding of the earth crust, it resulted into the formation of large scale mountain ranges, that is known as fold mountain. We can tell many examples for fold mountain. For example, Himalayan mountain in Asia. Himalayan mountain in Asia is an example for fold mountain. Another example, Andes mountain in South America. Andes mountain in South America. Third one, Rocky mountain in North America. Rocky mountains in the North America. Alps mountain in Europe. Alps mountain in Europe are the example for fold mountain. So what is the example for fold mountain? Himalayan mountain in Asia, Andes mountain in South America, Rocky mountain in North America, Alps mountain in Europe. These all are example for fold mountain. Okay, so about folding, I think children you understood. Upfold and downfold, anticline or syncline. Okay, this and many examples of fold mountain we studied. Himalaya is a best example for young fold mountain. Aravalli in India, it is an example for old fold mountain. Example for old fold mountain, Aravalli. Young fold mountain example, Himalaya. I think you understood. Our next topic, faulting of the earth crust. So how faulting of the earth crust may occur? Faulting of the earth crust, it may occur, it causing the fault when blocks of rocks get dislocated from a plane. A fault or a deep crack occur, that is known as faulting of the earth crust. So what is faulting means? It causes fracture. Okay, it means children fracture. fracture that causing a fault. Fracture that causing a fault when blocks of rocks get dislocated from a plane, a fault or a deep crack occur. That is known as faulting of the earth crust. Faulting can occur in any direction. It may be the blocks moving away from each other in both vertical and horizontal direction. That is about the faulting of the earth crust. Next one, vertical movement. Vertical movements are caused by the forces that uplift the earth crust, or the vertical movement cause the crust to get uplifted. So due to this vertical movement, what changes will occur on the earth? It will lead to the formation of plateaus. It will uplift the earth crust, ma'am told, no? So it will lead to the formation of plateaus, continents, valleys, etc. So that is about vertical movements. So children, now we studied about folding and faulting of the earth crust. Now children, we will study which are the three types of plate movement. Plate movements are mainly classified into three: convergent plate movement, divergent plate movement and transform plate movement. Convergent plate movement means, children, ma'am told, no, every earth is made up of 7 major and some minor plates, and this plate will move due to the molten magma interior of the earth. While moving time, this plate will collide each other. Due to the collision, this plate sometime it will move into different direction. It will coming towards each other. It will horizontally past each other. So these type of plate, these may occur due to the collision of the plate movement. So this plate movement broadly classified into three that I already told you. Convergent plate movement. What is convergent plate movement? When the two plates collide each other, due to collision, when the two plates are coming towards each other is known as convergent plate movement. Sometime when two plates are coming, ma'am told, no, this plate will move due to the molten magma inside the earth. When the two plates are coming towards each other, that is known as convergent movement. So what happened when this plate coming towards each other means it will lead to folding. It will lead to folding and the formation of fold mountain. So convergent plate movement will lead to the formation of fold mountain. When two plates coming towards each other is known as convergent plate movement. Then I told what is divergent plate movement. When two plates coming towards each other, sometimes it will collide. Due to the collision, if the plate move into different direction, that is known as divergent plate movement. As a result of divergent plate movement, what will happen? It will lead to faulting. It will lead to faulting and the formation of new oceanic crust and lead to the formation of new oceanic crust. So what happened, ma'am told, no, plate move into different direction means it will happen to faulting. It will lead to the cracking of the earth crust, and inside the earth crust what will happen? Molten magma will come out, and this molten magma will cool down and it will lead to the formation of new oceanic crust. Okay, so that is the case of divergent plate movement. Then third one, that is transform plate movement. What is transform plate movement? When two plates, due to the collision, when two plates horizontally pass each other, that is known as transform plate movement. Okay, so this earthquake, many natural disasters like earthquake, that is the result of transform plate movement. Okay, so horizontally past each other by the two plates, that will lead to causing to immense friction. It will lead to devastating earthquake. Okay, so that is the case of transform plate movement. So convergent plate movement will lead to the formation of fold mountain. Divergent plate movement will lead to faulting, and third one, transform plate movement will lead to the natural disasters like earthquake. Okay, so today we mainly studied about theory of tectonic plates and who put forwarded this theory. Then we studied about three types of plate movement: convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform boundary. Then we studied about what is folding and faulting. Two type of folding also we studied. I think today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.